Okay, this is take two. This is 12:30, Friday, May 21st, 2021. I'm going to pack out the Sanyo M9940K. All right. So now, I didn't bring my remote control. I don't even see me in the thing. Let me flip that around. Okay, there's going to be no zoom on this. Alright, so now I want to start with, I've got a 30-inch by 14 by 7-inch box here. This is the radio here, okay? It does not have any batteries in the battery compartment, okay? And I've got two power cords, as requested, kind of, sort of. Now, what I want to say about these two power cords is that this one is an oval, this is an oval, and this is an oval keyhole. In other words, it's oval on this end and flat on this end. And these, I know you can't see, it's too far away, but these are got two slightly different ends. But I want to show you that they both work. So here's this one here. All right, I take it and stick it in, right, like that. All right, and then turn it on. So it works. Flip it over to that. And then I found that since she doesn't have any tapes, I found a tape. This says Mozart Christmas. Alright, so it's just some tape I found. Alright, I'm just going to drop it in, hit play, and let it, starting from the beginning, so there's leader tape and whatever else. Right, and when it comes on, it comes on. So I don't know what's on there, but I'm going to hit rewind. There we are. Hit eject, take that, put this out like that. Alright, so there's that. Now, while I'm thinking about it, I want to take the power cord that I've got here, which has got the one with the stripe on it. Okay, set this down. Put this here, unplug this from that toy. Take this one here, this has got a little wire catch. This is black, no stripe. Again, and this is not polarized, that one is. Okay. Take this, plug it into this again, and like that. And turn it on. It works, great. So, without further ado, we're going to take that power cord off of there, take it out of this, turn this off. There we go. Alright. Whoopee. Okay, so now we've got two power cords that both work. The tape works, and here is a brand new sealed Maxell XL1S, whatever. Brand new sealed, 60 minutes. Okay, this is a 90-minute tape with, I don't know, I just found it from somewhere. So got those two power cords, that. Lastly, she bought this from me here, which is a an ion cassette adapter Bluetooth. Okay, it's completely new, sealed, never been opened. You know, it's got the little power cord back here. You know, charges in about 2 or 3 hours, whatever, and gives you about 4 to 6 hours of sound via the cassette deck. Alright, so there's that. Like I said, I got a box there, so now I want to take the take this, pick this up, and just to show you, you can see, I can show you this. Well, see that fitting in there? I can't even see. Well, whatever, close enough. Right, so here's the box. Alright, so let's get some bubble wrap. So, well, that's what I want to do. I want to take one power cord, take the this one here, okay, pull it up, and put it in the battery compartment so we can say for sure that, without a doubt, we have it on happy video here, that there is a power cord in the battery compartment. Okay. Now I'll take some bubble wrap. Okay. And we're going to fold the handle down. I'm going to put it on here. Flop that over, and then we're gonna just carefully pull this around. And that. Didn't quite. There we go, nice and like that. And that's about there. Okay, so. Alright, so now, okay, so that. What's this, that? Come on now. Alright, so I played it, you heard it. Okay, there we go. There's a piece of that. Okay. Then, okay. Okay, so then what? Move this along. Move that along. This is so short, we'll just put it right up center. Okay, so just need to go a little bit around, like that. And then one, two, and then back up to here, all right, and then down there is good, great. And the tape to hold that in place. All right, so we said this is what, 7 inches wide. All right, so now we got that going on. Now I may not make this I may not make it to get to the post office today because I have to work, unlike most people that are not working or whatever. There we go, there's a little piece of tape to hold that. So, whoops. Okay, there we go. Then, that. And then, okay. Now, this is gonna, here, so we can't do that much on this, right? So we'll have to just do one time around, okay? Yeah. We can't do, because of the size of the box, I'm going to tighten this differently. Okay. So, right there. Okay, so me there, here, great. So now, come on. There we go. That, great. Okay, so now, that, yes. Okay, now, great. So now, the main thing is I want to be able to, may not, let's see how this fits. Right, close it. Yeah, we can barely close it. Okay. All right, so I got plenty like that, but I need to be able to put. Yeah. Well. Oh yeah, much better. And flows better. Okay, so now we still have room to put more bubbles on the top. Okay, so repurpose this and put it right here. Okay, so that's like that now. Got to get the. Okay, let's get. Let me just make this a little square here. So, yeah. So, close enough. Good. So now, 1, 2 tapes, right? 1 tapes, and then this thing here, right? Okay, so. Like that. And I can take the old paracord and wrap that around that, right? That. You know, some people saran wrap these power cords and all that. It's like, man, I'm using it to tie this up with. Okay, so we'll put this on the tune end. Okay, and we'll fold that down. And then we've got some. Oh my God, what are these? That's great. Okay, and we've got another one here to go at this end. All right. Let's put it like that. See if we can put this flat. Yeah, there we go. Great. There's one. There's another one. Great. Okay. Now, yeah. And that'll be done. And it ain't going anywhere. It's funny packaged, but that should do it, right? Okay, so what time is it? Time is 12:44. Oh golly, 12:44. I might be able to make it to the post office if I finish doing this and take it right away. Okay, but I'm done with this, so let me end this happy little video. Finish putting tape on it and go inside and throw my trash away. Yep, any more trash? That's it. Here's all the piece. Okay, I'm done. Good. So, recorded on this. That's done. Okay, bye-bye. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye. One take only. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.